Okay, so let's talk about some investing here. Um, I am going to show you a few different opportunities here. And first thing I'm going to look at is the IWM, and I'm going to use a 5 and a 50-day moving average. The IWM is um, the Russell small caps. Whenever the 5-day crosses above the 50-day, which is the red line, it's a bullish indicator. So when it crosses the 5-day crosses below the 50-day moving average, let me show you this. Why is it not showing? Inspect. When it crosses below, it's bearish. So I mean, look at this trade. This is a trade that I actually did very well on. I used this as a bearish trade, making money when the stock market was going down. And just recently, it's crossing above the 50-day moving average. Now, let's look at some other opportunities. So hopefully that makes sense to you. I'm just going to look at the indexes right now. You can see the SPY crossed over. This is the SPY, S&P 500. It crossed above the 50-day moving average, indicating a trend reversal going up. So you could have bought there and made some money there, obviously. DIA, which is the Dow Jones, it crossed here, indicating a trend reversal, and that's bullish again. If we go to the QQQ, the Nasdaq's, you can see it just crossed here, indicating another trend reversal to the upside. So a bullish indication. Now here's what's interesting. So I'm going to show you this service that I have. Let's say if you want to participate and make money in the stock market, but you don't want to take the time to learn how to read some charts, here's something you might want to take a look at. So whenever you see a green arrow, you go long, meaning you buy. This is the DIA, which I just showed you. It's indicating this comes out on Friday every single week. So this was last Friday's indication to get back into the stock market. It gave you a red arrow here, indicating to get out, or you could go short, meaning making money on the downside. But or you could just take your money off the table, and then you could have gotten back in on Friday, or if you could get back in on Monday. So this coming Monday. We'll look at some other opportunities here. This is the Qs. This hasn't flashed a green signal yet, hence you don't see a green arrow. Not with the Russell as well. I showed you something that could be good long with the Russell. So, so next Friday we could get a green arrow, giving you an opportunity to get into the Russell if you wanted to take that trade. And the Russell is the small caps, as you can see right here. And then finally the SPY. No green arrow there yet. Also gives you the country indexes. Also gives you the sectors. Okay. I do like the financial, but it hasn't showed a green arrow, and I'll show you what that looks like on this chart here. Let's go to XLF, which is the ETF for financial. You can see the 5-day moving average is about to cross the 50-day moving average, indicating a new trend reversal in the banks and the financials. So going long on that trade. All right, so going back, gold and silver. Gold has a red arrow here. It doesn't have a green arrow yet. However, look at silver. Silver flashed a green arrow here. Silver's been a great trade for those who took silver. So really just following the green arrows of when to get in and when to get out of the market. When you see a red arrow, you can just take your money, move to cash. When you see a green arrow, you could buy and then get a return on your money. So with everything, there's risk. I'm not a registered financial investment advisor. I am just a trader, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say. If this interests you and you want to private message me, I'll share more and help you out any way I can. This is what I enjoy doing. This is how I want to make my living, of investing and trading, and it's a lot of fun. You don't need a lot of money to begin with. I mean, you could literally start with 500 or $1,000, and you're like, yeah, right. You can't, trust me. You got to start somewhere, okay? So, you know, I recommend trading with a not a gigantic amount either. So, if this interests you, just easier way into investing, easier way into trading, and it's not very hard to set up an account. Really, TD Ameritrade is a great place to go. It's a great service, and you can open an account there. I have an account with Options Express because I trade a lot of options. And if that confuses you, don't worry about it. You can just trade the stock and the shares, unless you want to learn how to trade options. And if you want to learn how to trade options, you can check out my class that I put together. Again, I'm not a registered investment advisor. Hi, buddy. And kind of, you'll see, you can preview the first three lessons I have here, and then you can see where I find trades, setting up the charts. Okay, this is someone that wants to really take the time to learn how to fish. The other, you can see, you can just follow the green and red arrows. Pretty simple. And hopefully this makes sense. So I gave you some trading opportunities for the coming week to take a look at, or at least paper trade, meaning you don't have to put real money at risk, or unless you want to, start investing for yourself. All right. Hope you have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.